In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate a character in Adobe Express. Now to do this, first you want to go to your home page and they actually have a tool via which you can animate your characters. So I'm going to click on the plus button top left, and then from here you want to go to quick actions, and then here in the top right you want to type in animate, and there we go. We have the animate characters tool over here. You simply want to click on it, and when you do so, you'll see, there we go, you can go ahead and start creating your character. Now over here you can go and select character, background, and size, and then over here you can go and copy link with the settings if you need to. So you can just go and select your character. Over here you can scroll down, there's gonna be a bunch of different ones, and you can change the scale as well. So for me, I'm just going to use this ticket here, for example, and you can change the scale of your character just like this, super easy, and then you can also move it around over here on your canvas. Then you can go and select background here. You can, of course, upload an image or select any of these backgrounds over here. I'm just going to put it into this starburst over here, just like this, for example, but of course, you have a lot of them. You could also filter by category, etc. And then you could also go to size, and you can select the aspect ratio of course, popular medias, social medias over here, or of course any of these common ones as well. So I'll just keep it as landscape like this, and again, don't forget you can actually move it around, resize it, whatever you want to do. And when you're happy, you can go and select if you want to enhance speech or not. I'm not gonna, because it's gonna take a lot more time to actually process, so I'll just click on the record over here, and I'm going to start recording my audio. And as you can see here, it's now recording my audio. I'm going to keep it super short. I'm going to click on done. But of course, you can go and record a professional voiceover, which of course the animated character is going to start speaking whenever this processing is done. Now, usually that's actually quite quick depending of the length of your audio. So if you have like maybe a few minutes of audio, it's going to take a bit longer. But if you just have like a few seconds, for me, I had like 2 or 3 seconds, that's going to be super, super quick, okay? Make sure you don't actually close down the screen, because of course it's going to kind of stop doing it. And there we go. For me, it's already done. I can simply click on the play button and you can now hear it. And as you can see here, it's now recording my audio. I'm going to keep it. There we go. As you can see, it did basically a great job over here. Of course, you can then go and download it. You can open an editor. You could go and create a new one, etc. Okay? So that's the simplest way to animate characters. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.